Machu Picchu is one of the 7 wonders in the world. This is the journey from Cuzco to Machu Picchu. At 8 a.m., we took a 3 hours mini bus ride Ollantaytambo train station. At 11 a.m., we took a 90 minutes train ride on Inca rail to Aguas Calientes, the Machu Picchu Pueblo, Machu Picchu town. At 12:45, we reach Aguas Calientes, take a minibus to the entrance of Machu Picchu. At 2:15 p.m., we have a guided walking tour of the Inca ruins for 2.5 hours. We took the route 1 and 2.
The first option is to go straight right there, turn around, enjoy workshop area, and after outside.
At 7 p.m., we bought the Voyager Machu Picchu Train. At 8:45 p.m., we took another 3 hours minibus ride back to Cuzco. If you have any questions, please do comment. Please do follow us for more travel videos.